Welcome to this lesson on adjective placement. In English, adjectives have a special position in sentences. Today, we will learn where to put adjectives when we describe nouns. This is a fundamental rule that beginners must understand to speak and write English correctly. First, let's understand what adjectives are. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They give us more information about people, places, or things. For example, the word beautiful describes a flower. The word fast describes a car. And the word happy describes a child. These describing words help us create clear pictures in our minds. The basic pattern in English is simple. We place the adjective before the noun. This means the describing word comes first and then the noun comes after it. Remember this rule, adjective plus noun. This is different from some other languages, so pay close attention to this order. Let's look at our main example, a big house. Here, the word big is the adjective. It describes the size of the house. The word house is the noun. It is the thing we are talking about. Notice how big comes before house. This is the correct English word order. Let's practice with more examples. A red car, red is the adjective describing color and car is the noun. A small dog, small is the adjective describing size and dog is the noun. A bright star, bright is the adjective and star is the noun. A cold day, cold is the adjective and day is the noun. In every example, the adjective comes first before the noun. Sometimes we want to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. This is perfectly fine in English. For example, a big red car uses two adjectives, big and red, both before the noun car. Another example is a small white cat. Here we have small and white describing the cat. Remember, all adjectives still come before the noun. Many learners make a common mistake with adjective placement. They put the adjective after the noun, like saying house big. This is wrong in English. The correct way is big house with the adjective before the noun. Never place the adjective after the noun when describing it this way. Always remember, adjective first, then noun. Let's review with more practice examples. A happy boy, happy comes before boy. A tall tree, tall comes before tree. A new book, new comes before book. A clean room, clean comes before room. Remember the golden rule, adjectives always come before the noun they describe. Practice this pattern until it becomes natural for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.